Hi, we're here in Susita. Susita Hipos National Park.
Hi guys, I am here in Susita Hipos National Park on the Golan Heights, east of the Galilee. This is my first time here. Susita in Hebrew means horse, and in Greek it is called Hippos.
Akyatin namin yung bundok doon. So yan yung pupuntahan namin, aakyatin namin yan. Medyo mainit today, kaya kailangan talaga ng sombrero at saka magdala ng tubig. Overlooking view.
I wonder why it is called Susita or Cabaya sa Tagalog. The precise reason why the city received this name is unknown.
Kinneret or Galilee. So, dito sa Galilee, nagturo si Jesus. Ang ganda ng view dito. Nakakapagod. Kailangan talaga magdala ng tubig. So, November na dito. So, dapat medyo malamig na. Kasi start na ng winter ng November. Pero, medyo mainit pa rin dito. Ayun pa yung aakyatin namin. Yan. Mataas pa, andun na sila. Andito ako sa huli kasi nagpipicture-picture pa ako solo. Yan, sobrang ganda dito. So, yung mga nagpapatour, hindi nila napupuntahan to.
This place is not directly mentioned in the Bible, pero nung sinearch ko, it is heavily linked to several events and location mentioned in the New Testament. The potential biblical connection is nasa Matthew chapter 5 verse 14, nabanggit ng Panginoong Diyos na ang lungsod sa tuktok ng Burol due to its prominent position overlooking the Sea of Galilee. And the miracle of swine in Matthew chapter 8 verse 28 to 34 occurred in the country of Gergesenes, since Hippos is the closest major city to the traditional site of this miracle. Ito yung pangyayari na pinalayas ni Jesus ang mga demonyo sa dalawang lalaki na lumipat sa baboy. After nila gumaling, dito yung possible location na bayan na tinutukoy na pinuntahan nila at ipinamalita ang buong pangyayari. As we can see, talaga namang makikita natin yung archaeological remains ng lugar na to. Nung nakita ko to, nasa isip ko na agad na it is a Roman period dahil sa mga construction ng buildings. Dahil ganito din yung mga architecture ng archaeological remains sa Greece. At ngayon, ito, national park na siya for some reasons like to preserve the archaeological, historical, and natural sites from development and to ensure their preservation for the future. Ang lugar na to ay nasira dahil sa malakas na earthquake noong 749 CE and was abandoned after the earthquake and was never resettled. So ayon kay Google, yung mga remains na nandito is dati pala siyang Grand Basilica, multiple churches and theaters from the Hellenistic, Roman, and Byzantine period.
Bigay mo